Welcome. In this video I want to show you how to backup your iPad Pro by using iTunes. In the very beginning we have to open our iTunes application. You can download it from Apple Store or Apple website. Then we have to plug our iPad into our PC, so we can do this by using USB cable, just like this. Okay, excellent. Then we need to come back to our iTunes application, and when we are here, just click on this icon. From the list, choose Backup Now. Click on it. Now we have an information that our iPad is backing up, so just wait a couple of seconds. Okay, that's all. So we already make a backup on our iPad Pro. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.